All right. This was a little scalp that I was gonna take, just because I don't know if we're gonna get anything today. This ended up playing out 1-1. A little um, sweep 30-minute candle is looking nice with the soup, and then we had this trend line liquidity below. So quick little 1-1. I didn't take this, but you see, I got the buy and sell buttons out. I was thinking about it, but better just to see it play out. Um, what I'm thinking is, I feel like we might just pump. We might just pump with Dados today, or if we don't, I mean, we have no news today, so I just don't know how good PA is going to be today. But I have a new rule. I'll be risking the same every trade, regardless of the conditions are funded. So, or for evals. So I will still be risking the same, but I might be just looking for a little scalp. Um, Definitely bullish. Ideal scenario. Ideal scenario is we come down into this 4 hour, sweep out these lows, then turn up, but that is, I fucking doubt that happens. I really doubt that shit happens. Um, but you never know. Um, yeah, Asia, I think this is like a 140-point move, 130-point move. Um, this isn't a bad like gap fill. Soup out this. Just kind of seeing where we can retrace to. I'm definitely very bullish. Yeah. All right. 4 hour gap has been respected on ES. Um, BPR is being respected. Bunch of wicks out of this gap. I think it's all respected on the daily time frame. Yeah. But weekly's respecting it. This weekly looks so bullish. What I'm thinking is accumulation, expansion, retracement, expansion. So that would probably be my ideal scenario here. It's this 30-minute sweep this. This I'm gonna mark out just because I want this so badly. Um, Ideal scenario. We got this trend line liquidity here too. Looks really fucking good. VWAP right here. This is like fucking golden gap right here. It's this 30-minute. I'm just gonna mark this out because this is like the money right here. Accumulation, expansion, retracement, expansion. So I want 930 to rip us down lower into this 30-minute gap. Tap the VWAP, come into like the upper half. I don't want this to touch consequent encroachment of this new week opening gap, but it comes down a little bit right here. It's something like this. Boom, boom, boom. And nice V-shaped recovery like that. That would be the ideal scenario for this morning. Um, Thing is, the bodies are respecting this unique opening gap here. So I don't know. But market open in 3 minutes. Trade.
seconds. Yeah. Alright. 10 seconds to the opening bell. They want this to rip us down low. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, we're just gonna pump off open probably. Shit. Yeah. That's no bueno. Oh. Wouldn't be bad. Gonna get a retrace into this. It's probably the time. You come here and sweep this, tap into the discount. This wouldn't even be terrible. And boost for a 1-to-1. Probably something closer back here. It's 4 hours. Well, the bias was spot on, which is nice. Even if you don't catch an entry. About a 5 minute now. Probably only take this 5 minute if it's like really clean. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna trade today, honestly. I probably should have taken that pre-session trade that banked out, but I don't know. I thought we could have caught something in the AM session here. Probably not. In this 4 hour now though. Not so far off our weekly objective here. Yes, it's in a 5 minute. I want to see this 15 minute close strong, and the new 15 minute come down here into this discount, and get a 1-to-1 out of it. I'll be trading with the 15 minute open low high close in the 950 macro. New 15 minute. Yeah, I don't know. Chief. I don't know, Chief. It's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. Wow. I mean, we really just pumped off open with no remorse. But kind of called that. I might hop off here. We get into Thursday. When are playing suits? Yeah, might just get off. But you gotta take a shit too. Damn, man. On porch. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my God. Uh, no remorse whatsoever. You can say start out. 15 eyes. That's looking region. Oh my gosh. What kind of eye off that entry? This is too high into a premium, but it might play out. Alright, I'm gonna end this here just because I don't think I'll catch anything. If I hop back on, then sure I'll start recording again, but I think this is gonna be it. Can't lie, do not think anything good will come out of the trading session. Alright, I'm getting a little bit of FOMO here, so what we're gonna do is sign into paper trading, and we are going to take this trade with the same leverage through make contracts. 54 cons, and we're gonna take it to eliminate. What the fuck did I just do? Oh shit. Just to, feel like we're in something here. quick little 1-to-1. The worst thing that happens is I get stopped out and it doesn't play out. And I'm a little bit upset that I didn't take it. The best thing that happens is it plays out and I have more confidence in dumb setups like these. Maybe I start taking them. I don't know. But yeah. Nice little BPR here too. Beautifully respected as well. This is probably going to schmack ICL. But yeah, probably no trades on the day. See what happens here. See, the only reason I wouldn't take this on the eval is because I shouldn't be shorting in this range, even though I kind of just want like a little fucking this is where I'm gonna go break even. Just a little rebalance because this is a fucking unbalanced price range. I would be upset. Like I'd be like, what the fuck am I doing with this trade? So that's how you know if it's not a good loss, then you shouldn't take it. Because if you would be like, dude, I should not have took that. If you're gonna lose, then don't fucking take it. So I'm just gonna take it on paper and enjoy the trade. If this, just because of these conditions, I'm only going to go break even here just because, you know, we slipped out this this low in a fair value gap, and I think it's filling a 15-minute or no 5-minute. Yeah, we just filled the 5-minute, slipped the 5-minute. Yeah. But normally I would just let that. If we weren't so high up in the range, I would never go break even on a 1-to-1 trade. But yeah, if you ever again FOMO and you're like, oh, I just want to place a trade, just log into fucking paper trading and take it on paper trading. It's really the best thing you can do because you take it on your main account and that just opens up to revenge trading because now you get the negative P&L or whatever. But paper trading just eliminates all that. So this is probably, I think it's probably, I don't know if it's going to take off, but whatever. Doesn't matter. We took paper trade, break even. That's how you don't revenge trade. Trade recaps for today. Probably going to be nice and short because there's no trade. Really nothing to take today. Just one of those days where it rips with no remorse, which I called out that it might do. But yeah, let's get into it. This guy's just coming into the day on the 4-hour. We hit our weekly objective. Jesus Christ, ES is so. This is crazy. Jesus Christ. Coming into the day, I was extremely bullish. We were disrespecting bullish PDRAs and disrespecting bearish on the higher time frame. What I wanted, I didn't think London or Asia was going to get hit, or this 4-hour gap, this 4-hour unmitigated gap. It was mitigated on ES, and then we come down to the hourly. This is my target. I wanted this 30-minute to get filled. Let me get rid of the RTH gap. I wanted the 30-minute to get filled, and I wanted to sweep this 15-minute low inside of it. I wanted to take longs out of here, but that did not happen. We ended up just ripping up with no remorse. So no entries. What else? What else? What else? What else? Um, what else? There's something else here. Oh yeah. So let's go to the regular trading hours gap. There was such a big regular trading hours gap. I think there's such a big gap, and we didn't even come down and touch it. So that's how you know we're just extremely bullish. Literally didn't even come back and retrace it at all. So yeah, really nothing for me today at least. Tomorrow might be a little bit worse conditions. I'm not sure, but we do have 8:30 unemployment claims tomorrow. But our weekly objective was smacked. And it's Wednesday, so now this um, this volume imbalance is what I'm kind of targeting. Or probably, yeah, this is what I'm going to be targeting. We'll see what happens tomorrow, but that's it. Let's do one thing I learned. So one thing that could be learned here possibly is when there's such a big overnight move and we're trading so much higher. Um, just be patient as fuck because there's probably not probably, but there might not be a setup and we might just rip with no remorse. Such a big RTH gap and didn't even get touched at all, so we could expect just fucking a pump off open, which is exactly what happened. So yeah, that's it.